In this session, we will see what is the term minutes and seconds mean in an angle measurement. Before that, we should know we can measure angle up to 360 degree, correct? Where 360 is equal to 0 degree. That is, the circle is a complete 360 degree. To define minutes and seconds, we will first take 1 degree angle measurement. For that, let us draw a circle and mark 1 degree angle measurement in it. So let us take the radius of circle of any dimension. So this is our circle and we have to mark 1 degree angle measurement in it. This will help you to understand much easier. So let me mark 1 degree angle over there. Ten point 1068. So I have drawn 1 degree angle. Let us measure. So this is 1 degree angle measurement. So our circle and 1 degree angle within the circle is ready. Now I am removing all other portion of the circle except the region within the 1 degree angle. Now we are going to define 1 minute. What is 1 minute? Let us see how it can be defined. For that, I am going to divide the portion of the circle within the 1 degree angle into 60 equal parts. Okay, 60 equal parts. See, this portion, this is our, so this is divided into 60 equal parts. In that, one part is our 1 minute. So when we divide 1 degree into 60 equal parts, in that one part is known as 1 minute. Okay, let us further divide this 1 minute to another 60 equal parts. For that, I am now removing the other uh, divisions and keeping this only 1 minute here. Now we are going to divide this 1 minute part into further 60 equal parts. So this angle is known as 1 second. I hope you guys understood how to define 1 minute and 1 second in angular measurement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.